Governor Gina Raimondo says Rhode Islanders need to change their behavior when it comes to the coronavirus. Today marked another day of more than 400 new cases and the deaths of another 4 people. The governor warning if the trend doesn't stop, the state could go back a phase. 12 News reporter Rob Nesbitt talked with one restaurant owner today, worried about going backwards.
Rhode Island has seen COVID cases increase during the last month. We learned Wednesday that a second spike could set back the local economy.
We are continuing to trend in the wrong direction.
Wednesday's update of 425 new positive cases and a 3.2 positivity rate puts Rhode Island in a bad place, according to Governor Raimondo. She says the majority of cases aren't being traced to public settings, but are happening during casual gatherings.
In settings where our guards are down, we're relaxed, we get close to people, and our masks are off.
Governor Raimondo is warning Rhode Islanders that if hospitalizations continue, the state could pass surge capacity. That would set the phased reopening plan back.
We're nearing our own metrics to move back to phase 2.
A warning that business owners take seriously, including Bob Burke from Potiphar in Providence. He doesn't understand why more COVID restrictions would be enforced in places where there's less spread.
Yeah, it reminds me of my 6th grade nun who used to say that the whole class will be kept after if 2 people keep talking.
Burke says he spent thousands on new HVAC filtration, disinfectant, partitions, PPE, and more. He's written a letter to Governor Raimondo proposing that the Department of Health create a food service COVID compliance certification, a way to exempt restaurants that have shown a willingness to go above and beyond.
We should be able to have the state certify that the business is safe and is doing the right thing.
To avoid a setback in phases, Governor Raimondo says it's up to everyone to make changes, suggesting that Rhode Islanders limit their interactions to only the people they need to see.
Write those names down and try very hard to stay within that closed circle.
Governor Raimondo will be having a special press conference Friday to announce more restrictions. She says it will have an effect on businesses and social gatherings. Reporting in studio, I'm Rob Nesbitt, 12 News.